Trader X here with Day Trading the Chart. It is Wednesday, July 10th, 2019. Just wanted to show where the account's at right now, 76,328. I didn't do any trading on Monday or Tuesday because the market just wasn't doing very much. And in my courses, all three of them, Market Master, Easy Entry, and Big Trade, all three of those courses, I teach exactly how to measure each one of the trades to see how much it's good for. And on days where the market really isn't moving very much at all, you'll see that it's not good for very much at all. Therefore, you can see that it's not a good day to trade the market. And Monday and Tuesday were not good days. I really couldn't find anything to get into. Today might be the same. However, we do have one on the scanner here, as you can see, VISL. It's moving up big. It's up 210%, $3.50. It's a $5.20 stock. We can look at the news on it. It's got some good news. Visilink Technologies awarded $2.8 million U.S. Army contract for handheld intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance, I guess it probably says. So it's been awarded a $2.8 million U.S. Army contract. This is good news. This is good news. I mean, it's not super good. It's only $2.8 million, but it's still good news for a $3.50, or actually it's $5 now, $5.50. However, the only bad news is that I cannot short this stock. So that's the only thing, is I can't go short on it. But I'll try to find something. I mean, if that doesn't work out, I'll try to find something else. We do have another one, VLRX. I don't know if you can see that on the scanner. Anyway, something might pop up. It's still a little bit early, about maybe, I'm not sure exactly, maybe 40 minutes for the market opens, half hour, something like that. And not too much longer, and I'll get started trading. We'll find something, but hopefully we'll find something, because Monday and Tuesday I really couldn't, and but hopefully today I will. I mean, it's just like that with the market, you know. You got to trade on the good days and not trade on the bad days. If nothing comes up, or if, for instance, let's say that VISL goes short and I can't short it, well, then I can't trade that one. And there's a good chance of that happening too, very good chance. But we'll see. Anyway, I will try to find something though and do some trading today. Otherwise, I'll just have to not trade again today, and I'll just wait till tomorrow. You know, sometimes that happens. It is summertime too, so it can happen. But you know, my system will work as long as you use it properly. You don't want to use it on bad days. You don't want to use any system on bad days. I mean, the market's just going to go sideways. You can, however, use Market Master. I mean, I could if I wanted to. I could scalp the market and use Market Master. Even on days where it doesn't move very much, I could still do it. But I'm trading a different style. I trade big trade using Easy Entry or the Market Master for the entry off the big trade. And most of the trades I do are that. Some of the trades I do are Market Master, and some of the trades I do are just Easy Entry, but a lot of them are off the big trade. Anyway, I'm going to get started here trading as soon as the market opens, and we will see what we can do today. Taking the account from $40,000 to $1 million, or trying to anyway. But anyway, that's 76,328 on my way there. It's over 30, about 36,000 profit now. Anyway, I will be back for some trading as soon as the market opens. Okay, market has opened here. Looking at VISL, I would need to get a long entry on it in order to take it, because I can't short it. Let me see here. It's got a lot of volume. I'm sure it's going to go short. But I might get a long entry on it. You never know. You never know. But now it's up too much. It's going to go short. But here's what I'm hoping. I'm hoping it's going to crash down a lot. And then I'll get a big trade to go long. Otherwise, I can't play it. I can't play it short at all. I can't short it. Also, there's another one, BLRX. It's also a pretty good $1.08, 35%. It would be good, but I can't short it either. So, looking for something here. It's just not a whole lot out there at all. Again, just like Monday and Tuesday. It's just not, much out there. Let's see here. Uber moving a little bit. Markets, they started off yesterday though fairly good, and then they went sideways for the rest of the day. So the same thing could easily happen today. Could very, very easily happen. I just don't see it much out there. AMD appears to be moving a bit. Let's go take a look at it. Pull up AMD. Okay. Yeah, it is moving a bit. I don't see any news though. Don't see any news. Yeah, I really just don't see much. Okay, I'm gonna come back. We'll see what I can find. Okay, I've got one pop up on the scanner here, AMRX. Let me take a look. We do have a short entry on this thing already. All right, preparing an order. Let's see how many shares are shortable. Okay, 165 million or 1.6 million. Okay, well, that's plenty. All right, let's try and get some shares. Let me take a look now for a second. Okay, I'm about to get a market master entry. I've got one short already. I'm about to get a market master entry here. Let's see which way it says to go. If the market master says to go short here, I'm going to go short. I think it's going to. Yes, it's a short entry, going short here. All right, trying to get some shares. Come on. Okay, for some reason I'm having some real trouble getting shares short on this thing. I don't know why. Okay, getting some shares short here. This thing is not easy to get filled on. Not easy at all. Okay, I just canceled the rest short that I've got to 20. I took 16,800 shares short here. It looks good here for coming down. Alright, let's see if I can find anything else while I'm waiting on this here. Okay. Let me take a look here. MU's moving a bit. Not that much though. I mean, there really just isn't anything really moving. It's just like Monday and Tuesday, but even on Monday and Tuesday I didn't even have a play as good as this one. AMRX. I didn't have anything really. Nothing really to play. BISL, of course, is coming down. I'll be looking for a market master entry to go long on that one. If it gives it to me, I'm definitely going to take it. But I would like to see it come down a bit more. It's down to like 5.77. Opened up at like $7. Like to see it come down to about $4 would be good, and then turn around and go back up again. And close strong today, off the good news. TRNX is looking interesting. I will look for a big trade off of TRNX. It's only like 22-cent stock, but that could be good. It's moving a little bit. Okay, I'll be back. I'm going to take a look. I'm going to keep looking for something. It's really too bad that BISL was not shortable, because, I mean, it was just a short all the way. And it, you know, probably could get a good $1, if not $2 off that short, no problem. So it would be an easy trade, real easy, but not shortable through Interactive Brokers today. Okay, HLIT just popped up on the scanner here. Let's see. Bull of the day, Harmonic. Harmonic 4.5% on Comcast licensed deal. Okay, it's got some news out. It's got a reason to move. It's on a high flyer. It's up $1.66, 27% change. Let's see what it wants to do. I'm going to try to get an entry on this one. I should be able to. Let's see if I can short it. I should be able. Yes, I can. Okay, I'm looking for an entry on this stock. I'll come back. Like you might be wondering why I don't just buy it right here since it's moving up. Well, if I would have saw it right when it was doing it, I could have using my system, using a market master entry, but I'd be chasing it now. So what I'm going to do is look for another entry, a different one. I could either use another market master or I could use a big trade, assuming one comes, but I think it will. And it will give me the overall direction of which way it's going to go today, which is much more valuable than just taking a guess, going with it. It could easily come down and then go short today. That's why you want to use a system. That's why you want to use my system. We've got another mover here. MDR. MDR up $1.36, 14% change. It's on the move. It's on a high flyer here. Volume increasing. Go take a look at it. I can't look at too many here, but I guess I don't have that many to look at anyway. MDR, let's pull it up. McDermott. Okay, it looks good. Okay, here is MDR, and yes, it is shortable. Okay, I'm looking for an entry on this one as well. Okay, here is MDR. It's the number one on the scanner, on the high flyer, as you can see right here. So it's increasing in volume. It's number one. It's got news out. It's got a reason to move. I've got it up, ready to take an entry here. I'll be right back. Okay, getting some shares here on MDR going short. Okay, I've got 10,000 shares short here on MDR. I have a market master entry to go short. VISL just shot up really big, but it's just going to give a short entry now, so I missed out on it today. Yeah. That thing really ran though today. Gapped up basically, but it's I could actually target it for market master entries to go long every time I get one, because it's moving good. MDR starting to move down a little bit here. Okay, MDR starting to make a nice move down. We'll see what it wants to do. Right now I have a market master. I'm looking for another signal to tell me if it's going to continue to go down or will it go back up again. My AMRX short is kind of dead right now, but hopefully it'll start moving down here soon. Okay, ahead a bit here on MDR, about 2,000 right now. And well, I need to see some more signals. Right now I don't have any, and I need to see what it's going to do. If it do get another signal to come down, I would say maybe about $10 or so. Down to 10 would be a good shot, good target, which would put me really ahead today too. I wish there was more going on, but there just isn't. MU's in third spot. I gotta re-pull up MU here. It looks okay. Yeah, it looks okay. It's not bad. I could get a play on that one perhaps. Here's one, FCEL. Go check it out. Well, it's not bad. It's a 78-cent stock. We'll see what it does. But I've got enough to watch right now with MDR and AMRX, my two open positions. So looking, but if AMRX doesn't start coming down soon, I might exit it and focus on something else. Okay, looking at HLIT here, looks like I'm going to get a short entry. Looks like I'm going to get, could be a big trade here. Looking for a signal. Looking, okay, I've got one. Stand by. Okay, getting some shares short here. Alright, 5,000 shares short of HLIT. 5,000 shares. And this is a confirmed big trade. It is also an easy entry. So I'm using big trade and easy entry here to go short on HLIT. MDR also moving up for me. Moving down for me. It's going down good here. So I've got two short positions here now. One on MDR and one on HLIT. Oh, and I also have a short position on AMRX. So I've got 3 of them. I do short a lot, don't I? You know, I don't know. I guess I do short a lot, but there's times when I go long a lot too. So it goes back and forth. It balances itself out probably. Actually, probably not. I probably go short more times than can go long, I suppose. Okay, MDR making a good move down here, 3,500 now. Let's go take a look at it. Okay, this is MDR, McDermott, and I said down to about 10, so it's got quite a ways to go, but I'm already 3,700 ahead right now. Well, today is unlike Monday and Tuesday. Monday and Tuesday I just didn't get anything, and today I'm getting quite a few entries, and I even have more than that as possible if I didn't have these. So definitely market much better today. AMRX finally starting to make a move down here. HLIT not doing a whole lot yet. MDR, as you can see, doing well, up 4,500 here. AMRX finally starting to make a little move down for me. Hit 1,000 on that one. 4,300 right now on MDR. This is MDR. And AMRX, I'm up 1,400 now. And down 184 on HLIT. So anyway, I'll come back. AMRX could be a big one today. It gapped way down. It could move way down today. So we could have a big trade off of this. In fact, I do have a confirmed, or wait a second, let me go check. Okay, MDR getting close to the original target. I apologize about my voice. I have taken some hauls here. But for the original target, it was $10 that I had, but I think it's going to go down further than that. I've got a big trade entry to go short. It can easily fill the gap. I'm looking to get a bit more than $10. Not exactly sure. Just going to sort of play it by ear, but maybe 980, maybe 960. Somewhere in there, perhaps. Right now, AMRX is about break even. HLIT, I'm down a little bit. Okay, up 6,900 here on MDR. Just to give a quick update here, I'm still just patiently waiting for MDR to come down. HLIT, I'm down 384, and AMRX, I'm up 707 right now. So nothing's really happened, and just kind of going sideways at the moment, and just patiently waiting. I'm afraid I got caught up into these 3 stocks here, and I missed VISL. This thing is a monster. And let me take a look. Yes, my system has worked perfectly on it. Let me see here. Yep, it has. It's a real monster. I didn't think it was going to go long today. I took these 3 short, and yeah, I missed the VISL. I did not think it was going to go long today. That's pretty amazing. That's a one big move up, 175, all the way up to $8. That's big. You don't see that too often. Here, I'll bring it on the chart here for you so you can see it. This is VISL. It gapped way up, and then it has moved up. So, let's see if we zoom in a little bit. You can see it a little bit better. And then it's just moved up. So it's really good. It's been a good one today. Okay, AMRX moving down for me now. Now I had 2,300. MDR moving up a bit. Only had 4,900 now. It was ahead 7,000, but it's going to come back down. I have a big trade. It's going to come back down. This is why you want to use big trade, because you will know not to get out when you shouldn't get out. When you should hold it, you'll know. I teach you. Let's go take a look at AMRX and see where the exit should be. Okay, here is AMRX. You see I took a short position here. It's moving down now after it had moved back up a bit. Moving down. I'm looking for it to break this low here. It could go quite a bit lower today. My position could even get $1, 100 ticks. It's a possibility. So I'm letting it go, see what it wants to do. Okay, I may have to get out of HLIT here. Right now I'm down 800 on it, and just looking to see what it's going to do here. AMRX here doing well. It's coming down. Just need to come down a bit. I got a lot of shares on it, so just need to come down a bit more and I can get out for a nice profit on it. But it actually could be a good day on it, but it's not moving very fast, so it would have to start moving, but it could do so. It could easily do so. MDR here, I'm still short, of course, and I'm looking for it to come down and break below this low. That's close to the 10 that I had originally went for, but it should do it. I'm currently up 53.66 on it. Okay, so right now I have confirmed big trades on MDR and AMRX. HLIT has not been confirmed yet. I've got conflicting signals on it right now. Actually, I have one that says go short and one that says go long, so I'm not sure which one is right. And so I'm ready to exit that trade if it starts to move up a little too much. I'm going to cut the loss short. But just so you know, my system does have an exact exit for the stop on all trades. All trades have an automatic exit on it. I mean, an automatic stop on it. You know what the stop is by the chart. The chart will tell you, my system will tell you what the exit is. The stop. It will tell you what the stop is going to be. All trades have that by default. There's no trade that does not have a automatic stop on it, and the stop changes based upon the chart. Okay, AMRX moving down pretty good here, up 3,800. Let's go take a look at it. Okay, it's coming down here. See, it gapped down huge, as you can see. Moved down, I took a position. It's finally starting to move down now. Like I said, it could go down quite a bit. It could go down $1. There's a very real possibility that it could do that. So I'm just sort of letting it go right now. I do have confirmed big trade. I'm just going to basically let it go mostly. Unless, of course, it really starts to move down here. I would think maybe about 380 or so would be pretty good on this one. I'm in at 465. Yeah, about 380 would be pretty good on this. Okay, I'm going to get out of HLIT for a loss here. Taking another look at it real quick. Okay, hang on. I needed to... Yeah, okay, if it comes down right here, hold on to it. Otherwise, if it goes any higher, I'm going to get rid of it. 5,000 shares at market. Ready to go here. Okay, I got my eye on this one. My other two are winners, and they are confirmed to go down. They should continue to go down and be good winners today, no problem. But this one is not confirmed. I got conflicting signals, one long, one short. Don't know which one's right. Therefore, this one either goes in the right direction or I get rid of it. If it hits 764, I'm going to get rid of it. So 4 more ticks up and I'm going to get out. My system, by the way, the stop is down to the tick. You'll note at the exact tick where the stop should be. Not a general idea. You'll note the exact tick where the stop will be. So you can see where I'm getting these stocks at. Let's see here. MDR is number 2. It was just number 1. And HLIT is number 3. I'm playing both of those. And the other one, let's see, where is the other one at? Oh, the other one is on the gap downs. It's here. It's the first spot on my gap downs. AMRX, and it gapped way down. And now I've gone short on it. And because my system says it's going to go even lower. It's going to continue to go down. So, just want to show you where I'm finding these stocks at and where I get them. It's very easy to get them. This is equity feed that I'm using for scanners, but you could use any scanner. And that's how you find them. And you just use my system on them. Okay, I just wanted to give you a quick update. So this is AMRX. You can see that here. And I'm currently ahead just about what it says. It says 36.47 on AMRX. And on MDR, I'm up 36.16. And HLIT, I'm down 634 right now. As you can see, it's let's see, it's like what, 13, it's almost 2 o'clock. Almost 2 o'clock p.m. New York time. So 2 hours left for the market before it closes. I am up really good here, and I'm still waiting for it to come down some more. I'll show you MDR real quick. This is MDR. MDR got a low right there. I'm waiting for it to come down again. I was thinking it would come down and break below that low, but right now I'm not sure if it will or not. But it should move down a little bit, maybe down to here or so, and I can get out for a nice profit. I could get out here for a nice profit if I wanted to, but I believe it'll come down some more. Trying to give it the chance. 2 more hours left in the market for it to come down. Here is HLIT. You can see it's really not doing anything for me. It's been going sideways pretty much the whole time, and most of the time it stayed above my entry. So my entry was like here. I was ahead a little bit, and then it came above, and it stayed above the whole time. And it went down slightly right there. This is the one that I have conflicting signals on. I have a long and a short, so I don't know which one is right, and maybe neither one of them are really right. It's just going to go sideways perhaps, I'm not sure. But if it goes up to 64, I'm going to get out. $7.64, so not much higher than where it is now. I'm going to get out of this trade for a loss. Now if I do get out of this trade, and when I get out of the other short entries, what I'm going to do is simply well, you don't see it, but on the right side I have my order entry window, and all I'm going to do is hit the buy button. So you just make sure you got your order set to market and your quantity set. I've got 5,000 in the position. You make sure the quantity's right. You can select position, and it'll do your exact position. So however many shares you have, it'll do it exactly, or you can just do it yourself. But make sure that's right at market and hit the buy button, and it will get you back out of the position, back to zero again. A lot of people don't understand shorting, but it's very, very simple. Hit the sell button to short, and then hit the buy button to get back out. Right now I'm a bit disappointed in this stock, MDR. When it was down here, I was ahead 7,000 on it. It's come all the way back up on me and starting to go back up again. Yeah, I don't know why it's doing this. I do have a big trade to go down. Of course, the big trade was good down here, but I was really thinking it would make a second move down, and it hasn't done so. So, still watching it, giving it a chance. AMRX is doing better. We can look at that one. Here's AMRX. I'm up 35, 37 right now. And looking for it to make another move down. You can see HLIT is just going sideways the whole time. And most of the time I've been negative in the position. So I'm still waiting for it to either make a move down or it's going to move up a bit and I'm going to get out. Alright, it looks like I might have to get out of AMRX here. Lock in some profit. I don't know why it's moving up right now. $16,800 shares. Alright, taking another look at it here. I'm ready to get out. Okay, just dropped down. Okay, my exit point is going to be, if it hits 454, I'm going to jump out. Lock in some profit on this thing. MDR, I'm going to have to do the same if it starts to continue to go up here. Okay, I'm getting out here of MDR. Shares a little tight there. Almost out. Okay, only was able to get 2266 on it. I was ahead 7,000 on it. It's a real shame, a real disappointment to me that I wasn't able to get it today. Should have got out, obviously, but usually it will continue. This one looks to be a market reversal here. I'm also watching AMRX to see if it will reverse. I need to get out of that one. Also need to get out of HLIT. Okay, here is AMRX. I'm up on it 31.43 right now. And if it starts to continue up, let me take a look at where my out's going to be. My out on this thing is going to be, if it hits 454, I'm going to jump out. 454. Shooting up as I'm getting out. So I was only able to get 1943 from this one. It's shooting up on me. I'm also going to get out of HLIT. Okay, this one I'm going to have to take a loss on. 5,000 shares at market. Go ahead and get out here. Okay, I'm out with a 509 loss on this one. So I didn't do anywhere near as good today as I could have and what I thought I was going to do. I was way up and I let it go. I thought it would come back down, and all that happened is everything drifted back up again and never did come back down. So that's a bit disappointing today. Okay, so I'm all done trading today. 2200 on MDR, 1943 on AMRX, and minus 509 on HLIT. So I didn't do all that great today, but I could have. I was up 7,000 on MDR at one point, and I was up about, I'm not sure exactly, but right around 4,000 or so on AMRX. So I was up on both of them really big, and I really thought it was going to go for more, and it just didn't. I let it go and had to lock in some profit. But it's a disappointing day. But, you know, it happens, of course. It happens all the time. I mean, actually, it doesn't happen all the time, but it does happen for sure. So I mean, it's no big deal, but could have did a lot better for sure. Anyway, system working. As you can see, I just made a mistake today by not getting out, but you know, normally you're going to see me play like that, and normally you're going to see me hit big trades. I mean, like bigger than what I even had, and it just didn't happen today. So anyway, still made money, and as the market picks up, I'll do even better and better and better, you know. But it's a bit slow right now, so little bit difficult to get a lot from something. But tomorrow's another day, and I'll be back tomorrow to do some more trading, of course, and keep showing you my trading and my system, and show you how well my system works. And I think you're going to be absolutely amazed by it. Anyways, I'll be back tomorrow on Thursday, so I will see you tomorrow, and to your trading success from Trader X at daytradingthechart.com.